Have you ever looked at a Tesla, sleek, silent, and future-forward, and thought, I want a piece of this? Well, owning a Tesla might be out of reach for many, but owning a part of the company? That's a different story. Today, we're diving deep into how you can buy Tesla shares in India. Tesla, the electric vehicle giant led by the enigmatic Elon Musk, has disrupted the automotive industry and captured the imagination of millions. Its meteoric rise has made it a darling of investors worldwide. But how do you, an Indian investor, get a slice of this electric pie? That's the question we're going to answer. Let's start with the basics. What does it mean to own a share in a company? Essentially, you're buying a small piece of ownership. If the company does well, the value of your share increases. If it doesn't, well, you know the drill. But with a company like Tesla, known for its innovation and market dominance, the potential upside is undeniably exciting. The Indian investor dilemma. Now, here's a little wrinkle. Tesla isn't listed on the Indian Stock Exchange. That means you can't simply log into your Zerodha or Upstocks account and buy Tesla shares like you would with Reliance or Infosys. So, what are your options? Option 1. Indirect investment through ETFs. One way to get exposure to Tesla without directly buying its shares is through exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs are investment funds that track an index, like the S&P 500. Many S&P 500 ETFs include Tesla as a component. To invest in an S&P 500 ETF in India, you'll need a global investment platform. These platforms allow you to invest in international markets. There are a few to choose from, each with its own fees and features. Deep dive into global investment platforms. Let's talk about some of the popular options available to Indian investors. Platform A. Discuss their features, pros, cons, fees, and the process of opening an account. Platform B. Similar to Platform A. Platform C. Same as above. Important considerations. While ETFs offer a convenient way to invest in Tesla, it's important to understand that you're not buying Tesla shares directly. You're buying a tiny piece of hundreds of companies in the ETF. Also, ETFs come with their own fees, so it's crucial to factor those into your investment decision. Option 2. Direct investment through foreign brokers. If you're comfortable navigating international markets and are willing to deal with potential complexities, you can buy Tesla shares directly through a foreign broker. This option gives you direct ownership of Tesla shares, but it also comes with its own set of challenges. You'll need to open a foreign brokerage account, which can involve paperwork and currency exchange. Additionally, you'll be exposed to foreign exchange risk. Key points to consider. Choosing a reliable foreign broker. Understanding foreign exchange rates. Dealing with taxes and regulations. The risks involved in direct investment. Demystifying the process. Let's break down the steps involved in buying Tesla shares through a foreign broker. Choosing a broker. Opening a foreign brokerage account. Funding your account. Buying Tesla shares. Understanding transaction costs and fees. Risk and reward. Investing in Tesla, whether directly or through ETFs, is not without risk. The stock market is volatile, and Tesla is no exception. However, the potential rewards can be substantial. It's crucial to do your own research, understand your risk tolerance, and have a long-term investment horizon. Additional tips. Start small. Begin with a modest investment to test the waters. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Stay informed. Keep up with Tesla's news and the overall market trends. Conclusion. Buying Tesla shares from India might seem complex, but it's certainly possible. Whether you opt for the indirect route through ETFs or the direct path via a foreign broker, careful planning and research are essential. Remember, investing should be a part of your overall financial plan, not a get-rich-quick scheme. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.